Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to apply job in Naukri. First, you have to log in for Naukri. You have to do like you can log in with your phone number or you can log in with your Gmail. So once you log in, recruiter will be seeing your resume and every details. You have to fill the details, and once you woke up in the morning, means around 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock, you have to update daily. Why we need to update daily means resume recruiter will pick latest update resume so that they will pick you easily, and you have to mention all the skill set. So first you have to search for your job role, like which domain you are into. uh, if you are into O2C or P2P or R2R. So I'm just telling for like accounts background, accounts and finance background. Based on your job preference, you can pick yours. So first you have to log in, then you will see the search button over top of the screen. I will be attaching the screenshot as well. So once you will be searching your domain. For example, I will search for my domain as order to cash, and location wise, I chosen Bangalore. Then you have to search. Then you will be getting all the company and everything, and you have to pick latest. For that, you have to filter out. So you have to pick freshness. So you will be getting the latest one. So applying for old jobs will not be counted. So always choose to apply for fresh job opportunity. So you will be getting that freshness, and you have to go and you have to apply. So we will be getting easy apply, and we have to apply for company website also. So if you want to know how to apply on company website, comment on. I will be sharing the details sooner. Thank you. Please do watch and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.